In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of all devices in Slack. This is especially useful if you've used Slack on a shared computer, lost a device, or just want a clean security reset. I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can finish in under a minute. Start by opening a web browser and going to slack.com. Make sure you're signed into the workspace you want to manage. You can do this in the desktop app as well, but the web layout makes it really clear and the steps are the same. Once Slack is open, look to the bottom left of the screen for your profile icon. It's the small picture or initials next to your name. Click that to open your profile panel. This panel gives you quick access to your personal options and account controls. On the profile panel, look toward the right for the three dots icon, sometimes labeled More. Click the three dots to expand additional options that aren't shown by default. From that expanded menu, head into the account area. You're looking for the path that leads you to settings for your Slack account, not channel preferences. If you see account or a similar option that opens your account management page, choose that. Next, click settings. This opens the main account settings page in your browser. It's where Slack stores security options, password controls, and details about where you're currently signed in. On the settings page, find the section labeled Sign Out of All Other Sessions. This section lists active sessions across other browsers, desktop apps, and mobile devices tied to your account. It's designed to keep you in control of where your account stays logged in. Finally, click Sign Out of All Other Sessions. Slack will keep you signed in where you're performing this action and sign you out everywhere else. That means any other computers, browsers, or mobile devices will be logged out of this workspace. After this, you'll need to sign back in on those devices the next time you open Slack there. A few quick tips to wrap up. Use this feature whenever you've shared a device, suspect unusual activity, or just want to tidy up old sessions. If you manage multiple workspaces, repeat the process for each one as needed. And if something looks different in your interface, try updating your app or using a web browser where the layout usually matches what I've shown. That's it. You've now signed out of all other devices in Slack and tightened your account security in just a few clicks.